Animal cells are eukaryotic cells that have both a membrane-bound nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. These organelles carry out specific functions that are needed for the normal functioning of the cell. Plant and animals are similar in that they are both eukaryotic and have similar types of organelles. In biology, cell theory is a scientific theory first formulated in the mid-19th century that living organisms are made up of cells, that they are the basic structural organizational unit of all organisms, and that all cells came from pre-existing cells. So, what are the inside of the animal cells? The cell membrane is a biological membrane that separates the interior of all cells from the outside environment and protects the cell from its environment. Microtubules are longer filaments that are constantly assembling and disassembling. They play a crucial role in moving the daughter chromosomes to the newly forming daughter cells during mitosis, and bundles of microtubes form the cilia and flagella found in protozoans and in the cells of some multicellular animals. Centrioles or paired barrel-shaped organelles located in the cytoplasm of animal cells near the nuclear envelope. Centrioles play a role in organizing microtubules that serve as the cell's skeletal system. They help determine the locations of the nucleus and other organelles within the cells. Microfilaments, also called actin filaments, are protein filaments in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells that form parts of cytoskeleton. In these cells, the cytoplasm consists of all of the contents of all the cell inside the plasma membrane. In eukaryotic cells, such as plant and animal cells, the cytoplasm consists of three main components. Ribosomes are found free in the cytoplasm or bound to the endoplasmic reticulum to form rough ER. In a mammalian cell, there can be as many as. The nucleus controls and regulates the activity of the cell and carries the genes structures that contain the hereditary information. Nuclear envelope. The nuclear is a double-layered membrane that encloses the contents of all the nucleus during most of the cell's life cycle. Is perforated with holes called nuclear pores. These pores regulated the passage of molecules between the nucleus and cytoplasm, permitting some to pass through the membrane but not others. The nucleolus is the region found within the cell nucleus that is concerned with producing and assembling the cell's ribosomes. Following assembly, ribosomes are transported to the cell's cytoplasm where they serve as sites for protein synthesis. Nucleoplasm is a type of protoplasm that is composed of thick fluids and constitutes chromatin fibers made of DNA and usually found in the nucleus of the eukaryotic cells. Mitochondria are membrane-bound cells, organelles that generate most of the chemical energy needed to power the cell's biochemical reactions. Is an organelle found in both animal cells and plant cells. An organelle is a subunit within the cell that has specialized function. Its general function is to produce proteins for the rest of the cell to function. A vesicle is a small structure within a cell consisting of fluids enclosed by a lipid bilayer. Golgi apparatus, also called Golgi complex or Golgi body, is a membrane-bound organelle found in eukaryotic cells that is made up of a series of flattened stocked pouches called cisternae. A lysosome is a membrane-bound cells organelle that contains digestive enzymes. Lysosomes are involved with various cell processes. They break down egg cells or worn-out cells part. Thank you and God bless.